The structural engineering programs RSTAB and RFM are ideal for designing and analyzing 2- or 3-dimensional steel or metal structures. Buildings, halls, scaffolding, bridges, silos as well as cranes, craneways, machines, towers and single steel girders can be designed with DlubalSoftware. In addition to the design of beam structures, it is also possible to calculate plate, slab, and shell structures as well as combined structures in RFM. With DlubalSoftware you have various options to design simple or complex structures. Due to the modular concept of the software, the main programs RFM and RSTAB can be combined with different add-on modules, and can therefore be used in different areas of structural analysis. RFM and RSTAB are two powerful calculation programs which meet all needs in modern engineering. In both programs, you can use national and international cross-section series from an extensive cross-section library or manually define cross-sections. In addition to the selection from the library, you can model any thin-walled cross-sections with the standalone program shape thin and import them to RFM and RSTAB. Besides the American standards, the national annexes of the Eurocodes, Swiss, Russian as well as many Asian, African and Australian standards are also integrated in the programs and in the add-on modules. The Steel AISC add-on module performs the ultimate in the serviceability limit state designs of members and sets of members according to the American standards ANSI AISC 365 and 36010, including the analysis methods according to load and resistance factor design and allowable stress design. The first results window shows the maximum design ratios. The other result windows list all detailed results sorted by specific subject in extendable tree menus. For further evaluation of the stability behavior of the structure, the add-on modules RF stability and RS buck can be used for determining the different buckling curves and buckling shapes. For more detailed calculation, the structural frame can be transformed in a surface model. So it is possible to adjust your model in any way you want, and to analyze any local stresses and deformations. The Finite Element Analysis Program RFM is a powerful software for quick and easy modeling, structural analysis and design of 2D and 3D models consisting of member, plate, wall, folded plate, shell, solid, and contact elements. There are no limits in modeling or structure with the program RFM from DlubalSoftware. For dynamic structural analysis, the add-on modules DynamPro and RF DynamPro can be used. Multimodal and multi-point response spectrum analysis as well as linear time history analysis and the generation of equivalent loads for earthquake can be performed with the add-on modules.